The 2008 recession was bad news for everybody. For banks, too. Their image greatly suffered. So how do you turn a bank's 100th birthday into more than just a celebration? We wanted it to be a turning point, the start of regaining public trust. We wanted to build trust by having people interact with the bank in a way that has been forgotten in the bright new digital era, by using tangible objects. So Zagrebačka Bank, a part of the UniCredit group, opened a time vault. We invited people to leave their dearest objects with the bank for 100 years. The TV campaign featured famous Croatians, like actors, artists, and scientists, telling the audience what they would leave behind in the bank's time vault for 100 years. The whole of Croatia responded to the question, and the bank created a legally binding document to deliver the stored content to its owner in 100 years. Items and photographs could be submitted to the vault in person or digitally via the microsite. Thousands of items filled up the vault, each bearing a little piece of personal history. And there were a few pieces representing our nation's greatest moments.
Ovo je fizički dokaz onome ko to otvori, vidi da se nešto tamo 1984. godine dešavalo.
Or our football coach's reminder of Croatia's third place in the 1998 World Cup.
Nakon rata, gdje smo tražili svoj identitet, gdje smo tražili svoju afirmaciju.
The time vault truly became a part of Croatia's everyday life.
Da možete koju biste stvar ostavili svojim potomcima.
And made positive impact on the key attributes connected to the bank. 22% of non-clients said that they wanted to start doing business with the bank, and 39% of existing clients said that they wanted to expand their business with the bank. On September 8th, the vault was locked, and their timer was switched on, marking the end of a campaign that will long outlast its creators and will reappear in the distant future.